In this video, we are going to see Samachir Kalvi, Geography Grade 8, Unit 1, Rocks and Soil. Rocks. The rocks are the solid mineral materials forming a part of surface of the Earth and other similar planets. The Earth crust, that is lithosphere, is composed of rocks. Classification of rocks. According to the mode of formation of the rocks are classified into three types: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. These igneous rocks are divided into extrusive rocks and intrusive rocks. See children, this is magma chamber. When the magma comes out, we are calling it as a lava. When this lava comes to the surface of the earth and cools down, we are calling it as a extrusive rocks. When the magma cool inside the earth, we are calling it as a intrusive igneous rocks. Then sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are organic, mechanical and chemical. Organic rocks, decomposition of dead plants and animals. Mechanical rocks, these rocks are formed due to the disintegration of igneous and metamorphic rocks. Chemical sedimentary rocks. It is formed usually through the evaporation of chemical rich solution. Metamorphic rock, thermal and dynamic. If the rocks are created by high temperature, we are calling it as a thermal rock. When the rock is formed by the high pressure, we are calling it as a dynamic rock. Let us come to the rock cycle. This rock cycle, it starts from magma and ends in magma. See children, when the magma comes out, already we know it forms igneous rocks. The igneous rocks are changed into sedimentary rocks by weathering or erosion or transport deposition by water or air. Then these sedimentary rocks are, due to high pressure, it is changed into metamorphic rock. Again, these rocks are changed into magma. So the rock cycle starts from magma and ends in magma. Let us see soil and its formation. Soil is the mixture of organic matter, minerals, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. Soil composition. Soil composition, it is mixture of 25% air, water 25%, mineral particle 45%, 5% organic matter. In this organic matter, 10% is organic organisms, 10% roots and humus 80%. So let us come to the point of soil classification. Soils are classified on the basis of their formation, color, physical and chemical properties. Based on this, soils are classified into 6 major types: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. See some of the picture I gave. Here this is red soil, this is black soil, this is alluvial soil, this is laterite soil. Then the mountain soil and desert soil. Soil erosion. Soil erosion is the removal or destruction of the top layer of the soil by natural forces and human activity. Soil erosion reduces the fertility of soil, which in turn reduces the agricultural productivity. Running water and wind are the major agents of soil erosion. See the picture, the soil has come down because of the water flows on it. Soil conservation. Soil conservation is the process of protecting the soil from erosion to maintain its fertility. The methods that are widely practiced by conserving soil are afforestation, controlled grazing, construction of dams, crop rotation, etc. Let us see what are the uses of soil. Soil is one of the important natural resource. It is basic requirement for plant growth and support various life forms on the earth. It used for making ceramics and pottery. It is the source of material for construction. It is a natural filter of water and purifies it. Thanks for watching.